Hey guys, it's Jim from JAGfx.com. It's Wednesday the 20th of June 2018. This is just my quick daily video where I run over what exactly I've done this morning on the daily charts, which using the high probability trading method and the mod MACD trading method. This is actually take two. I had some USB problems, but I think I've fixed them. I've got both my microphone and my mouse working. Win-win. So let's have a look at the charts. We'll go to the high probability charts first. Not really much action today on these, but we'll start with the USD Japanese yen. I was in a buy here. I closed half up here somewhere and I had a stop roughly about that level there. And as you can see with that spike down, I was stopped out. So overall profit on that trade, but we're no longer on a trade on the USD Japanese yen. Same for the Euro Swiss franc. I was in a buy in this area here, just about where price is at the moment. Went up, I closed out half. I had my stop down near the entry level and it was taken on out and that spiked down. So no longer on a trade on the Euro Swiss franc, taking a overall small profit there. Pound Swiss franc. I was in a buy on that level there, and I've talked about this, and I probably should have done something about this earlier. Had bearish JAGfx RD up here, as you can see that little orange trend line, and the MACD went through the zero level. Today it's given me a red dot on the QMP filter, got a red dot on the MACD platinum. So the buy I've closed, taken a loss there, and I didn't take the sell, even though I've drawn the red line here. I didn't take that sell, mainly a few reasons. One, we're against the trend, obviously, as you can tell. Well, the MAs are flat, but they're technically up still. Very close to this previous low. Very close to it, so it's one sort of thing that threw me. The MACD is not that far above the zero level, and probably the third most important thing is that there's interest rate news out of the UK on, I think it's Thursday. So there's been a pound pair, I just didn't want to take the risk. So no trade, so I took the loss, closed my buy, and I did not take the sell. And the last one on the high probability is the Swiss franc Japanese yen. I was in a sell here. I've closed it out, just closed it completely, just reduced risk. Took a small profit there, only a very small one. Reasons I did that: when I took this trade, I explained I wasn't that impressed by it, even though it's got regular bearish divergence and we're in a downtrend. There was a higher high here, and it looks like it's having trouble breaking this low. Well, you could still do it, but we've got bullish JAGfx RD, and the MACD is getting close to the zero level. You can see the blue dotted line's already at it. So I just want to reduce the risk there. So I closed that, so no longer on a trade there either. All right, I'll just switch over to the mod MACD charts. Just give it a couple of seconds. Alright, so as I said, it's Wednesday. We're starting to pick up in the news. It'll get a bit busier the next couple of days. So we've got that LIBOR or LIBOR rate out of Switzerland, and we've got the UK interest rate, so things you've got to be aware of. Alright, we're on the mod MACD charts, different colour background. This is from the basics book, the bonus system. In a buy in the USD Canada. We're up about 300 pips, so I just thought I'm going to close half my trade. So closed 0.1, stops just below the point of entry on that black dotted line, so all good there. Just a lot of profit, that's all. New Zealand Japanese yen, this is the one I was telling you about, was going to be it's in a buy back here, so the buy trade was about there. Didn't really break through the 240 LMA, got up about 85 pips or so. Then it rolled down, and today we've got the confirmed reversal signal. So I got out of the buy, took the loss, fairly big loss, but looks, where's my notes? Yep, took the loss there, and now in a new sell at this level here to 75,831 roughly. I'll change all the colours and that when I prepare the screenshots, but now in a sell here. So took a loss on the buy, now in a sell. And the next one is the Aussie Canadian. I was in a buy from back here somewhere. Went up nicely. I closed out half up here. Put a stop in place. Prices kept on going up, but slowly fallen away. And today I've got a new sell signal. Don't worry about the colours. Blue, I'll change that to red. I'll do the screenshot. So I closed the buy, overall profit, 2 parts to it, and now in a sell at this level here, about 0.98009. So in a sell, it's already gone against me a little bit, but it's a valid sell signal. The only thing I probably don't like is the 2 MAs are very close to each other. Getting very tight there, but still a valid sell signal. And finally, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. I was in a buy back here, and price didn't really take off that much. Only went up about another 85 to 90 pips before rolling over. So today we've got a sell signal in this area. Again, ignore the colours. So I've closed the buy, took a small loss. I think it was only about 23 pips or something. Now in a sell trade. So we closed this buy, now in a sell trade at about 110.676. And it's everything's valid. It's actually with the 240 LMA, so that's all good. So that's about it for today, guys. As I said, be aware of that news coming up during the week, and we'll chat later. Thanks for listening. Cheers and watching.